Hello everyone. Here in this lecture, I will try to explain one question where you will get that in case of matrix also, we can easily apply the principle of mathematical induction theorem to have the proof. In class 11, we have got what is actually the principle of mathematical induction theorem. So here also in case of matrix, I am going to explain how can we use principle of mathematical induction to have the proof of any question. So the question is given: A is a matrix of order 2 by 2, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. Then you have to prove that n to the power n is equal to 1 plus twice n minus 4n and 1 minus twice n, where n is any natural number. That means you have to show that this expression is true for any natural number. That means in place of n you can put any natural number. Here left hand side is equal to right hand side. Suppose a cube, in place of n is equal to 3, if I write down, then right hand side will be 1 plus 6 minus 4 into 3, 3, 1 minus 2 into 3, like that. Whatever the type of expression you will get, you will just like this a cube. A cube means after cubing this one, that means a into a. Whatever typical matrix you will get, that matrix is exactly equal to that one. It is not possible for us to prove for each and every natural number. That in that case, we will try to apply principle of mathematical induction theorem. We will try to generalize. First of all, we will try to apply the principle of mathematical induction theorem to apply here, because it is not possible for us to prove it for each and every natural number. Titenota case what I mean induction theorem to apply. So proof. So first of all, what is let the given statement be? Let the given statement, or let the statement be. It is known to you, then it is represented by P of n such that right now n to the power n is equal to what? 1 plus twice n. এটা আমি জানি যেটো given point of view to prove probability actually 1 minus twice. We have to write it. Now first of all we will consider n is equal to 1. It is known to you. Then we consider n is equal to k. Then we consider n is equal to k plus 1. Then we can easily generalize. That is true for all natural. Okay, so here, case 1, for n is equal to 1, we try to prove, for n is equal to 1, okay, for n is equal to 1, left hand side, n to the power n, so whenever n is here, we try to consider n is equal to 1, okay, n to the power 1, n to the power 1 means what is the matrix A here, 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1 to the power 1 means what? Left hand side is equal to this one. What about right hand side? So right hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. What is the right hand side? 1 plus twice n minus 4n, 1 minus twice n. So we'll put it here. 1 plus twice n minus 4n and 1 minus twice n. So after putting n is equal to 1, what we will get? So after putting n is equal to 1, we will get, okay, so let's rub it. After putting n is equal to 1, you will get the right hand side is equal to what you will get. So n is equal to 3 minus 4, 1 minus 1. What we have got? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. That is, we will write down left hand side is equal to what? Right hand side. That is, P of n is true for what? That means we have got that if we consider n is equal to 1, left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the first step of principle of mathematical induction. Okay, case 1 is finished. Now what is the next step? We will consider any natural number in between 1 and infinity. I mean 1 and infinity मतलब जितना natural number consider करें. For n is equal to k. We'll assume P of n is true for k is an natural number greater than 1. Okay. এটা কথাটো হল আমি ইন্ডাকশন ট্ৰামাৰ যিবিলাক স্টেপ আছে গোটেইবিলাক স্টেপ আমি ইয়াত এপ্লাই কৰি গৈ আছো জাস্ট ইউ হ্যাভ টু ফলো দ্য স্টেপস অনলি খালি সিচুৱেচনটো অলপ বেলেগ হয় কাৰণ আমাৰ ডাউট এটা হয় যে আমি একচুৱেলি মেট্ৰিক্সৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত এপ্লাই কৰিছো মনত ৰাখিবা কোৱেশ্চনবিলাক কেনেকুৱা হ'ব এ দিয়া থাকিব এ দিব এন ইকুৱেল টু আমাক বুলি দেখাব লাগিব সো এন ইজ ইন নেচাৰেল নাম্বাৰ প্ৰতিটো এলিমেন্টৰ কাৰণে তুমি দেখা থাকিব নোৱাৰা এটা আমি ইন্ডাকশন ট্ৰামাৰ ইউজ কৰি দিম সো দ্যাট ইজ P of n is true for n is equal to means what? In place of P of n, we write down P of k. P of k such that P of k means it will convert it to a to the power k to P of n as today. P of n as not for n. So wherever n is there in place of n, you have to write down k. It will convert it to 1 plus twice k minus 4k. It will be k and it will be 1 minus twice k. Now we will mark it as equation number. We will try to use this one. Okay, what is the next step? Obviously, you have the idea. What is the next step? Case 3. Okay, we can see it around it. Case 3. What is case 3? Forward. N is equal to. We have to prove that P of n is true for n is equal to that is P of it will become P of k plus 1 left hand side will be what? A to the power k plus 1 what is the right hand side? Wherever n is there in place of n you have to write down k plus 1 1 plus 2 into k plus 1 minus 4 into k plus 1 in place of n you have to write down k plus 1 সেইকাৰণে যতে n আছে ততে আমি k plus 1 পুট কৰিছো 1 minus 2 into k plus 1. Okay. So let's simplify কৰিব পাৰে. So let's simplify কৰি দিছো. Twice k plus 3 that is minus 4k minus 4 it will be what? K plus 1 it will be minus twice k minus twice k minus 1. Okay, now we'll try to prove. We'll consider here is after this one step you will consider left hand side. We have assumed actually here we have to prove that this one is true for n is equal to. Okay, আমি ইয়াত consider কৰিছো this is true for n. Now we have to prove that P of n is true for n is equal to plus and that means left hand side right hand side এখানে দিছে. So we'll consider left hand side. Now left hand side. A to the power k plus 1 can be written as a to the power k into a. Am I correct? So what is the value of a to the power k? It is already considered as equation number 1 1 plus twice k minus 4k k 1 minus twice. Eto hamara here value from equation number 1 from equation 1. And what is the value of a here? It will be 3 minus 4 1 minus 1. Just try to multiply it. So first row first column 3 into 1 plus twice k minus 4k first row first column first step second and second. Then what is this one? First row second column minus 4 into 1 plus twice k first row second column plus minus 4k into minus 1. First row first column, then second row first column, second row second column. Second row first column, 3k plus 1 into 1 minus twice k. Second row first column finish, then second row second column minus 4 into k minus 4 into k plus minus 1 into now try to simplify what we have. So we have to show that the left hand side is the right hand side. So what is the right hand side? Right hand side is this one. So try to simplify it. What do we get? So it will be 3 plus 6k. So obviously 3 plus twice k. 3 plus twice k. And it will be what? 4k, 8k minus 4. That means minus 4k minus 4 Okay, and it will be k plus 1, and it will be what? Minus 4k plus twice k. So minus twice k. Okay, what we have got? Have we got the right hand side? Yes. We have got the right hand side. This is equal to what? Right hand side. As left hand side is equal to right hand side, P of n is 2 for what? N is equal to, as P of k is true, P of k to truly considered for this, as P of k is true implies P of k plus 1 is true. Therefore, according to PMI, P of n, that is the given statement, is true for all n belongs to. I think you have got my point. I hope actually you have got my points. Just follow the steps. You will get the idea how can you proceed. Already mathematical induction you have got in class 11. Just you have to recall the theorem. For n is equal to 1, case 1. For n is equal to k, you have to assume case number 2. And in the third case, n is equal to k plus 1, you have to prove that it is true for n is equal to k plus 1. Let's say to consider for a simple factor. So many defined questions are there in your miscellaneous exercise of matrices. Try to attempt it. Please try to find out the answer. Okay, you will get the answer if you follow the steps. Thank you so much for watching that. Thank you.